everyone, I am Ronica, and during this coronavirus season, I'm giving myself a new job, and my job is to ensure that you have the most accurate information about tax incentives, cash flow planning, what are the other incentives that are out there for your business so that you can make accurate decision and also act more proactively so that you can make sure that you're going to have the cash around once this season passes, or have enough resources so that you can basically make your business survive during this season. So the first thing I want to talk about, well, the only thing I want to talk about on this video is this new tax deadline. So the returns that were due on April 15th are now pushed to July 15th. And what I want to say about it, this new deadline is it does not work for anyone that's involved in this. It does not work for preparers, and it definitely does not work for taxpayers. So the July 15th deadline basically covers three things. One, they extended the tax deadline to July 15th. Two is for those who owe money when they file their tax return. If you're gonna owe, then that payment will be extended also to July 15th. And also for anyone who needs to submit quarterly payment for 2020, that first quarter payment is due on April 15th. So if you were supposed to submit first quarter payment, then that gets postponed to July 15th. As for payroll taxes, there are other incentives out for payroll taxes that you can check in terms of payroll tax credit, and also extension as far as when to pay. So the reason a lot of these deadlines are not working, because July 15th, if you're gonna have so many lump sum payments that are due, then definitely if coronavirus lasts for the next few months, then July may be when a lot of businesses are picking up back in terms of cash flow, and you can't have, all these lump sum payments that's due right in July in summer season. So I'm hoping that this bill that's in Congress right now is going to go ahead and push those payments forwards. But as far as for taxpayers who are going to owe on their 2019 return, my best advice for you guys is to just go ahead and set up a payment plan to pay the lowest amount as possible. Go ahead and get your return filed so that you know how much you will owe, and set up a payment plan, because these extension, it does not remove the payment, it just pushes them forward, and you don't want so many lump sum payment due all at once, because July 15th, and if you look back, there's a deadline also for June 15th for you to submit your Q2 payments, and we're still not sure if that deadline is also pushed to July 15th. So as far as 2019 taxes, if you're gonna owe, go ahead and just set up a payment plan. If cash flow is an issue, make the payment as low as possible. And you can also even call the IRS and let them know when you can start making payment, because they're being very flexible right now. In terms of for people who are gonna get a refund, go ahead and file, because the IRS is still processing returns, the IRS is still processing refund. For those who wants to wait until July 15th, just think about two scenarios that's gonna happen. If coronavirus passes by, let's see, it's gonna be summer. You're gonna be working, you're gonna be going hard. You're not gonna have time to be trying to gather information to file your taxes, because business is gonna be picking up back again. And let's say on the other side that coronavirus sticks around. If coronavirus sticks around, then there's going to be more uncertainty, more economic downturn, and all of that stuff. And no one wants to be doing taxes during that time either. So I'll say, if you're not able to file, in April or something, just go ahead and make an extension until October, because that will give you more time. And to put this deadline right in summer just does not make any sense. If coronavirus is gone on July 15th, I should be on a beach somewhere having fun, not trying to be in an office or anywhere, social distancing myself from everyone else when everyone else is going to be out having fun. Anyways, as far as for other like payroll related taxes, as I said, that there's gonna be a lot of credits and so forth that's gonna be available, so that you can go ahead and check with the Department of Labor. I made a post a few days ago about what was that post about? About the sick and child leave credit, and how the IRS is going to allow you to basically request the money up front to go ahead and pay your employees. So there's a lot more incentives to come that you guys should look out for, and I will be posting that information. But as far as taxes, the best thing to do if you're gonna owe money is just to go ahead and request a payment plan, because to be honest, if you're not able to pay in April, then and this virus sticks around, then July 15 is gonna be more hard. It's gonna be a more tough cash flow time if it stays around. If it doesn't stay around, then July is gonna be when you're gonna try to be putting money in your business to try to get things moving again. Stay safe. Hopefully your social distances is going well, and take care.